All right, we're up at the board. I'm going to recall basic band. And then violin, 1, 2, and cello show up here on channels 29, 30, and 31. So I'm going to turn it on. I'm going to bring this up. These channels, let's see, yep, it's, as you can see, it's selected. Here we have cello. They are set to DCA 7. DCA 7 is the strings DCA, so you want to make sure that that's up. And you can see right now it's at -40 for gain, and the phantom power is on. That's what the 48V plus means there. Now, just for kicks, I'm going to crank the gain because I don't actually have a cello player there on the platform. But as you can see, as I'm talking, it is picking that up. And if I snap my fingers, you can see that going. Now, some of these you have to ignore because some of these are the congregation mics. But this one right here, Submix 2, that is the keyboard / strings submix to the Avium. And as you can see over here, that shows up on Avium channel number 9. So here you can see pre-fader is turned on for send to, and it's set to unity. Additionally, it is turned on for monitors 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so it can go through the floor wedges, but currently those are all turned down to nothing. And then one other thing you can see as I snap, Submix 14 is lighting up. Well, what's Submix 14? Well, that is the reverb send for here for the instrument reverb. So you can see as I snap, oh, there it just went. Again, I don't have a cello playing through there, so you can't see, but yep, that meter's lighting up. So that tells you that the cello is going to the mains, but it's also going here to the instrument mic, so that you have instrument reverb as well. The one other thing to note is that these have a direct out set on them. Let's bring up. Violin 1 is slot 3.6, violin 2 is 3.7, violin 3 is 3.8. That's the Dante out that goes to the streaming computer down there. I'll walk through that next, but that needs to be set, and that's why it's so important to plug the cello into the cello, the guitar into the guitar, the keyboard into the keyboard, because not only does it match the labeling on here, but it also then helps everything line up down there. So if you get it wrong on the stage, then everything after that is wrong. So that's why we're more particular about being where it's plugged in. Makes it easier for the volunteers to not have to try and scratch their heads, try and understand the patch panel behind me here, or try and label stuff, get it mapped into the Aviums, and then get it set for the streaming mix as well. That's about it. The only other thing is you can see it's set to 3 for a mute group, which is the band mute. So if I hit the band mute, you can see now that's blinking. If I hit the band mute again, ooh, the other one. If band mute's off, now you can see it's on consistently. It's not blinking. All right, that's it for doing sound. Now we'll get to talking about violins and cellos on the streaming mix.